Congratulations on purchasing the 17.5-inch barrel charcoal grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your new grill, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of the parts are accounted for. Note that you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and adjustable wrench to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll begin by assembling your grill's cart legs. First, insert the two front cart legs into the U-shaped piece seen here. Then repeat these steps to assemble the rear cart legs. Next, we'll join the front and rear cart legs with the cart bottom frame. Line up the cart bottom frame with the holes at the bottom of both sets of legs, then secure the frame in place with the 4 J-nuts. Now, find your grill's cart frame brackets. Line up the first bracket with the holes located on the outside of your left cart legs, then secure it in place using 2 A screws and 2 I nuts at each leg. Repeat these steps to attach your second cart frame bracket over on the right set of the legs. Next, we'll install the wheels to the right of the cart by inserting the wheel axle through the holes on the bottom of the right cart legs. Then secure each wheel to the wheel axle using 1 H-nut apiece. Next, find the charcoal bowl assembly. Then remove and set aside the 2 pre-assembled screws found on the bottom lip. After that, install the main lid stopper by sliding them into place over the vacant screw holes and reinstalling the screws. Next, flip the charcoal bowl assembly over, like so, and install the ventilation adjustment brackets using 2 F screws and 2 G nuts. Once secure, assemble the handle by supporting the bracket from the inside of the bowl and sliding the handle cap into place like so. With the charcoal bowl assembled, we'll now carefully set it on top of the cart and secure it in place by using 4 A screws and 4 I nuts. Next, we'll assemble the left side shelf by installing 2 triangular brackets on its bottom side using 2 D screws apiece. After that, position the shelf to the left side of the charcoal bowl like so, and secure it in place using 4 B screws, 2 from the outside of the charcoal bowl and 2 from the inside. Next, we'll install the main lid handle. Position the handle and its seats over the holes located on the front of the main lid, and reinstall the screws from the inside of the lid to secure the handle in place. Now, insert the charcoal chimney through the hole located on the top of the main lid like so. Secure the chimney in place using 3 D screws. Once secure, you can go ahead and reinstall your chimney lid using the cap nut and fastener. With the main lid assembled, we'll now carefully set it on top of the charcoal bowl and secure it in place using 1 E screw on each side of the lid. Now we'll assemble your grill's charcoal tray. First, find the tray assembly seen here and attach the ventilation adjustment brackets using 2 F screws from the outside of the tray and 2 G nuts from the inside. Once secure, support the brackets from the inside of the tray and slide the handle cap into place like so. Next, line up the charcoal tray handle with the holes available on the outside of the tray seen here. Then secure the handle in place with 2 B screws from the inside of the tray. After that, set your charcoal tray rack into place. Then simply slide the charcoal tray into the right side of the grill, like so. Now open your main lid and set the main cooking grids into place. And finally, attach the warming rack. Your Nexgrill's 17.5-inch barrel charcoal grill is now assembled and ready to go. Better call up the neighborhood. Everyone's invited to a Nexgrill cookout.